Good afternoon, myself Santosh Yadav and I welcome to all of you in physics lecture of gravitation for class 11. Okay. Today our topic is orbital velocity, energy of satellite and escape velocity. Orbital velocity, you can say orbital speed, energy of satellite and escape velocity. This is the flow chart of today's lecture. So first of all, we start orbital velocity. As we know, every satellite revolves around the planet in fixed orbit, and the speed of the satellite in that orbit is known as orbital speed. As simple, orbital speed. Write it down. Satellite revolve around the planet. Satellite revolve around the planet in fixed orbit and speed of the satellite in that orbit is known as orbital speed. Like suppose this is the sun and this is the radius of the orbit. This is the radius of the orbit in which our earth revolves. This is earth. This sun speed say VO. Sun is planet, Earth is satellite, and Earth revolves in a fixed orbit of radius r with some speed V0. So this speed is called orbital speed. Simple. Speed in orbit is called orbital speed. So satellite revolves around the planet. Here the example of the satellite is Earth and planet is Sun. So what is the expression for orbital speed? Write it down. Expression for orbital speed. So what mass of the Sun? This is the planet MP. Sun is a planet. So mass of the Sun is mp, mass of planet, and Earth is satellite here. So this is mass of satellite, and V0 is the orbital speed, r is the radius of the orbit. So gravitational attraction on Earth by Sun provide necessary centripetal force to revolve the Earth around the Sun. Okay. Write it down. Gravitational attraction by Sun on Earth provide necessary centripetal force to revolve the Earth in orbit of radius r. In orbit of radius r, smaller. So you can say here gravitational force equal to centripetal force. So gravitational force equal to centripetal force. So as we know, gravitational force is G m1 m2 by r square. m1 is mp, m2 ms, distance is r. So G mp ms upon r square. This is the gravitational attraction which provide necessary centripetal force to the earth for revolving in fixed orbit of radius r. So you can say here gravitational force, mass of satellite into speed of satellite in that orbit upon radius, square of the speed. This is the centripetal force, mv square by r. Okay, so ms is cancelled out, so v naught square equal to r is cancelled out here, gmp by r. So v naught here equal to gmp by r. So this is the orbital speed of earth which revolve around the sun, where mass of the earth is considered as mp, mass of mass of earth is considered as ms, mass of satellite, and mass of sun is considered as mp, mass of planet. So this is the general word. Any satellite revolve around the planet. Here planet is sun and satellite is earth. In other case, maybe earth planet, like moon revolve around the earth. So in that case, earth will be planet and moon will be satellite. जो रिवॉल्व करता है वो सैटेलाइट और जिसके अराउंड रिवॉल्व होता है उसे प्लैनेट कहते हैं. ओके, राइट इट डाउन. Very important point, note it down. Orbital speed does not depends on mass of the satellite. Write it down. Orbital speed of the satellite doesn't depends. Orbital speed of the satellite does not depend on planet mass. On mass of the planet. Oh, sorry. Mass of the satellite. Orbital speed of the satellite does not depend on mass of satellite. Okay, fine. As we know, gravitational potential energy, if there are two masses m1 and m2 at distance r, then we have already told that gravitational potential energy will be g m1 m2 upon r minus 9. We have already discussed gravitational potential energy minus gm1 m2 by r. If there are two bodies having masses m1 and m2 at a distance r apart, then gravitational potential energy will be minus gm1 m2 by r. Okay, minus sign indicate that both the bodies are bounded. Both the bodies are bounded. This is the gravitational potential energy. Okay. So we have to find gravitational potential energy of the planet and satellite system. What we do? So potential energy of planet satellite system will be U equal to minus GMP ms upon r. R is the distance between them. This is the gravitational potential energy. So what is the kinetic energy of the satellite? This is the gravitational potential energy of the satellite. What is the kinetic energy of the satellite? Half mv0 square. And we know value of v0 is gmp by r under root. So put half ms mass of satellite, half mv square. Half mv square. Here mass, n is the mass of the satellite, v is the velocity of the satellite, so v0 square, so half ms under root gmv by r whole square. This is the orbital speed of the satellite. So square under root cancel कर देगा, तो half ms gmp by r. This is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of the satellite. This is the potential energy of the satellite minus gmp ms by r, and kinetic energy equal to half m square. So kinetic energy of satellite equal to half mv square. So mass of the satellite v equal to v0 of the satellite. V0 is the orbital speed. So put the value of v0 here. We will get kinetic energy of the satellite will be half ms gmp by r. So in proper way, write in proper way, half gmp ms by r. This is the kinetic energy. This is the kinetic energy, and this is the potential energy. So what will be total energy of the satellite? Can I write? Okay. So total energy of satellite equal to kinetic energy of satellite plus potential energy of satellite. So kinetic energy of satellite is equal to half gmp ms upon r plus potential energy minus gmp ms by r. Half 1 half minus half gmp ms. This is the total energy of satellite. Write it down. Very interesting. You can see total energy and kinetic energy is same magnitude wise. Kinetic energy never be negative, but total energy is negative here because potential energy is more than kinetic energy. Okay, so kinetic energy never be negative. Potential energy and total energy may be negative, may be positive. Okay. Why kinetic energy never negative? K equal to half mv square. Half is always positive, mass is always positive. V square. ठीक है? If negative value is put here, then that will be also positive. Minus 2 का square कितना होगा? +4. Clear? तो kinetic energy never be negative. This is total energy of the satellite. Revolving satellite around the planet. So, for remember you should remember that. Can you give relationship between these three? Okay. Write it down. Can I write here? Okay. You can write here magnitude of kinetic energy equal to magnitude of total energy equal to magnitude of potential energy by 2. Listen. Magnitude of kinetic energy equal to magnitude of kinetic energy equal to magnitude of total energy, and it is half of potential energy. So this is the relation, very important. You should remember that kinetic energy का मैग्नीट्यूड टोटल एनर्जी के मैग्नीट्यूड के बराबर है और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के मैग्नीट्यूड का आधा है. तो यू कैन राइट दिस रिलेशन फॉर न्यूमेरिकल. Also write note point. Minus sign indicates that satellite is bounded by planet ठीक है ना. ऐसा क्यों? थिंक kinetic energy at infinity, take r at infinity, it will be 0. Potential energy at infinity, r is infinity, it will be 0. Total energy, r is infinity, it will be 0. And at infinity, kinetic energy 0, potential energy 0, and total energy 0. Okay. So before infinity, all quantities potential energy and total energy will be negative. Kinetic energy never be negative. Okay, that's it. But potential energy and total energy is negative. Potential energy is more than kinetic energy, so total energy will be negative. So minus sign indicates that satellite revolve in the orbit and its energy is negative and it never will go infinity. If it goes infinity, then its energy will be 0, isn't it? So very important point. Now side of the board and I tell you about binding energy of a satellite. Write it down. Binding energy of a satellite. First of all, you should write definition of binding energy. Write it down. Minimum energy required, binding energy. Minimum energy required to the satellite. Minimum energy required to the satellite so that it leaves the orbit or you can say it leaves the gravitational field of the planet and go to infinity. What is the binding energy? Minimum energy of the satellite, minimum energy given to the satellite. Minimum energy given to the satellite so that it leaves the orbit, that is gravitational field of the planet, and go to infinity. It's called binding energy of the satellite. है ना? As we have earlier discussed that total energy of the satellite is minus Vm/ms by r to r. This is the total energy. and we also know that at infinity total energy is 0. So for total energy become 0, what should be energy required to give the satellite so that total energy will be 0? Plus GMP ms upon 2. So this energy required to the satellite so that total energy becomes 0, and this is total energy, or total energy 0 is the energy at infinity. So this is the binding. This is the binding. You have to give plus GMP ms by 2r to satellite energy so that total energy will be 0, which is energy at infinity. ओके, जैसे ही 0 होगा वो इंफिनिटी पहुंच जाएगा, और जब तक 0 नहीं है, नेगेटिव है, तब तक वो ऑर्बिट में घूमता रहेगा. दैट्स व्हाई माइनस साइन इंडिकेट्स दैट satellite is bounded to the planet in revolving the fixed orbit. I think you got the point. And today's class is over right now, and we will discuss about escape velocity and Kepler's law in next day. So thank you. I hope you enjoy.